Hi guys, I'm Neelam Irfan. Today I'm going to make garlic sauce, which we need mayonnaise. We will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in the bowl, and we need salt and pepper, black pepper we are going to use, sugar, lemon juice, garlic. You can use 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of parsley. And in the end we will use double cream, 1 cup of double cream, and then mix it gently. If you need more sugar or salt or pepper, you can add according to your taste. So here's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.